Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a great grandma square, and this square involves DCs, that is doubles, popcorns and traditional granny stitches and the doubles. Okay, and it's a 10 round motif, and the yarn I used was Aran lemonade yarn with color code 2049, and I used around 41 grams for this particular swatch, which measures 9 by 9. It is a 9 by 9 square. So accordingly, as per the requirement, you can go in for these squares. Okay, so without much delay, let us go into the video. For the video, I am going to use my Aran baby cake yarn with 3017 as a color code. So let us see the variation. This I made with solid color, hence I am going to demonstrate with the multicolor. To begin, chain 8 and start, or make a magic circle or magic ring. Oh God. Yeah. And secure it. And place 16 double crochets inside this magic ring. You can either start with chain 3 as the first double, or as I do, a standing twisted double, and place 15 more double crochets. I should also place the required number of double crochets in the magic ring and get back to you. I have made totally 12 double crochets in the magic ring. Now pull the tail little tight, not too tight also, let the small gap be there. Now I had placed my stitch marker for marking the first stitch, so I'm going to slip stitch and join. So for slip stitching, I'm going to remove my hook, insert my hook from behind under these loops, and pull the loop from front to back. And pull a loop and secure. So my slip stitch is done. So this slip stitch won't be visible. Now place 2 double crochets each on each of the 16 doubles that we did in the first round. So you can either start with chain 3 or place a double in the very first one. Make only one double, and when we come back we will complete it over there. Now place 2 doubles on each of the doubles that we placed in round 1. So we will end up with 32 doubles in round 2. So place the doubles and get back. I shall also place my doubles and get back to you. I have placed my 32 DCs by placing the last DC in the very first DC where we did our first one for this round 2, and now slip stitch and join to the first DC. I am going to do my method. I have removed the hook from this loop. I have inserted the hook from behind on the next stitch. Pick up this yarn, pull through, pull up a little bit, and pull up the working yarn into that and secure. So I have slip stitched and joined. Now for this round, third round, you either chain 3 and begin chain 3 counts as your double crochet, or make the standing double crochet as I usually do, twisted standing double crochet, and in the next you're going to do the popcorn stitch. So 5 double crochets. If you feel 5 double crochets are too thick, you can go in for 4 double crochets, or 3 double crochets as per your wish. So I'm going to make 5 double crochets. So remove the hook, insert the hook from the first DC, pick up the loop and pull through, secure. So the popcorn is done. In the next stitch, make a double. So this round, it's a popcorn double throughout, and at the end of this round you will have 16 popcorns and 16 doubles. So let me finish the popcorns and doubles all around and get back to you. You may also finish and get back. I've completed the popcorn round. Now slip stitch and join to the very first DC that we did here, or the third chain of the 3 chain that we did here. Now for round 4, chain 1 and single crochet in the same DC, the very first DC. You may mark it with a stitch marker here. It's just for our convenience. Chain 2, skip the PC and work a single crochet in the next double crochet. So you're going to chain 2 double crochet, single crochet in the doubles. So totally we will have 16 chain 2 spaces and 16 single crochets at the end of round 4. So let us complete and start the next row. I'll complete and get back to you. I've come to the end of this round here. Now remove the stitch marker and slip stitch to the very first single crochet and join. So you can do the ordinary slip stitch because the stitch is not going to be visible anywhere, and slip stitch to the chain 2 space, and here you can make either 3 doubles or chain 3 and 2 doubles. So I'm going to make 3 doubles right away. One minute. My standing double crochet done. This is a loop that we have to work last. So 2 more double crochets, 2 more doubles here. Chain 1, 3 doubles. So this round 5, is chain 1, 3 doubles in each of the chain 2 spaces of the previous round. So complete placing your stitches. I shall also complete and get back. So I have placed 3 DCs in each of the chain 2 spaces of the previous round, with chain 1 space in between them. Started with 3 DCs in the first chain 2 space. Okay, now instead of slip stitching into it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a single crochet into the first DC, so that I bring this yarn to the center of this chain space. Now I need to make the first half corner, either chain 3 and start, or make a twisted double crochet and 2 more double crochets all in the same chain space. So chain 1, this is first half corner done, and here let me place my stitch marker to know which stitch I need to work at the end. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, 3 doubles in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, 3 doubles in the next chain 1 space. So from here, this corner to this is one side, and we're going to start the second side. So we need to make the corner here. Chain 1 and place 3 doubles, chain 3 3 doubles, all under the same chain 1 space here. So complete the stitch pattern on the other 3 sides. I shall meet you at the beginning of this particular round I did. I've come to the end of round 6 here. So I need to chain 1 and place 3 doubles in the corner to complete the first corner. 1, 2 and 3. Now we are not going to slip stitch directly into the first stitch we did here. Instead, chain 1 and place a half double crochet to bring this yarn to the center. Otherwise, you can do an extended single crochet also, so that will give a thinner so this way also we bring the yarn to the center of this chain space. Here you will make another half corner, either chain 3 and begin, or make a standing double crochet and place 2 more double crochets. This is the half corner done, and then the rest till we reach the next corner, it is chain 1 3 double, chain 1 3 double, and then the corner. So round 7 and 8 are same as round 6. So continue and complete round 8. I shall meet you at the end of round 8. I have come to the end of round 8 here. Now I am going to slip stitch and join. Instead of slip stitching, chain 1 and remove the stitch marker here and make a half double, so that you bring the yarn to the center of the chain space. This will get hidden in the next chain space. Now either chain 3 and begin, or make your first twisted double crochet, go behind, twist, and this double crochet. Let me place my stitch marker here. Yes, 2 doubles. So this is the first half corner we are making. This is the final row, like not the final but one row before. So to end our great grandma square, we need to make a DC round and an SC round here. And if you want it bigger than the size I am doing, you can repeat this round 6 for few more rounds and then go about finishing it off. So I've done my first half corner here. Then place 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 DCs. There is no chain spacing here. Then place 1 DC under the chain 1 space. So 1 double crochet in every DC, 1 double crochet in a chain 1 space. In the corners we are going to make 3 double crochets, chain 3 3 double crochets. So continue all around. I shall meet you at the end of this round 9 or the beginning of both are the same. I'll meet you at this particular point. I have come to the end of round 9 here. Now place 3 double crochets to complete the first corner. Chain 3 and slip stitch to the first stitch here. Now round 10, it's going to be a single crochet round. Place 1 single crochet on each of the DCs. They are going to be 33, and 3 single crochets in the corner. So 36 single crochets on each side. Place the single crochets. I shall also place the single crochets. I shall place single crochets all around and get back to you. So each DC 1 single crochet, and in the corners you're going to place 3 single crochets. Okay, place the single crochets and get back. I have placed last single crochet of round 10 here. Now I'm going to slip stitch and join. So for slip stitching, I'm just going to pull it up, leave it here, go from behind the stitch, pick up and pull through. I'm going to make round 11 with a slip stitch all around in the back loop of the single crochets that we make. It's going to give a beautiful finish. So slip stitch all around. There is no increase or decrease anywhere. Slip stitch all around. I shall also slip stitch and get back. I have completed the slip stitch edge here, and I have joined with a invisible join here so that the join is not seen, and I will be tucking this yarn underneath, hiding it underneath the stitches at the back. So the slip stitch edging has given a very beautiful and pretty finish here, well defined finish. So for any square that we make, if we make a round of HTCs all around or SCs all around, finish it off with a slip stitch edging. This slip stitch edging will give a definite definition, a pretty definition, a beautiful definition to all the squares that we make, all the projects that we make. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this great grandma square. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, but before that, a humble request, please do subscribe to our Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Also, like and share our videos so that it reaches the maximum number of people. Have a great day friends. Bye for now.